Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be shopping at Walgreens, doing our weekly haul, grabbing some amazing free items. We have some big moneymaker deals that are going to help us pay for the rest of the items that we are grabbing today. So if you're interested in getting some freebies for either yourself, your family, or to donate, stay tuned. So we are outside of Walgreens. I'm super excited about today's haul. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. My channel is all about how easy it is to save thousands and thousands of dollars each year through some simple couponing deals and some rebate apps that we are going to be using in this video. We are going to be doing some Fetch Rewards deals, some Ibotta rebates, and some amazing Swagbuck moneymaker deals. So if you're new to any of these apps, my referral codes will be listed right below in the description box. And you can always head over to my website, BreeCouponQueen.com. There is a rebate apps tab, tons of information and videos on how to use the different rebate apps that you're going to be seeing in this video. I also want to mention a quick giveaway that I'm doing right now on my channel before we head inside. So if you haven't entered in yet in this video, my CVS haul I posted on Monday, I will have the video linked below in the description box. So after this, you can head over there and enter. I am going to be choosing 2 winners on my YouTube on Sunday, and I'm going to be choosing 2 winners on my Instagram. So if you haven't entered on my Instagram as well, you can enter both places for double the chance of winning. It's Bree the Coupon Queen. Find the post that I did on Monday. You can enter in there as well, and stay tuned on my channel for the winners announced this Sunday, which I'm super excited about. I also have a video coming out the 18th about the new and improved coupons.com app. Been hearing a lot about it and getting a lot of questions about it. So I have a video that's going to be posting next Tuesday, the 18th. So stay tuned for that so you guys can get some amazing information on all of the new hot features. Actually, I think the 18th is Wednesday. Anyway, I'm posting it on the 18th. So let's go inside and start taking advantage of some hot freebies this week at Walgreens. One deal I want to share with you guys again is the King C Gillette deal. This is still going on all the way through to November 28th. I posted a video on it to do it online using Rakuten. So I will have that linked below and above. Now on Rakuten, it is spend $40, get $40 cash back. A lot of you have even higher value digital coupons than I have on my account, making it an even bigger moneymaker. So definitely check out that video. That deal is going to end at the end of the year, and the King C Gillette deal is good till the end of the month, November 28th. Time for our clearance check. There's still lots of clearance on lashes, magnetic lashes, press-on nails. Update on the nails that I bought. So these Kiss nails, as cute as they are, fell off in about 2 hours. And I put like a lot of glue, a little glue. I tried scuffing up the surface, no bueno. But these Impress nails are actually what I'm wearing right now, and they have been on since Friday. And it is now, what, Wednesday? So a week almost, and they're still doing well. So I would recommend the Impress versus the Kiss. But definitely check your stores for some clearance items. You can certainly put this in a nice beauty bag, and you're not gonna have to pay full price. Okay, so let's get into the deals we're gonna grab today. First thing we're doing is the BIC Razor deal. So they are just $5.99 this week. And when you buy 2, you're gonna get a $2 Walgreens cash rewards. So for the old system, it was 2,000 points back. But now it is the Walgreens cash reward. So it's in essence $2 cash. So we are gonna grab 2 of these right here. We have this $4 off 1 digital coupon. There's also a printable listed in the printable breakdown on the website. So you can click that and print a $3 coupon. So now we are going to be left to pay $4.98. Then we are going to get back $2 from the My Walgreens cash rewards, making our final cost for both of these $1.49 each. I meant each, $1.49 each. Next item we're gonna grab is this curl enhancing smoothie. So the Shea Moisture hair products are buy one, get one half off this week. So grabbing 2 of those is gonna bring you to about $5.98. And in our Smart Source insert from Sunday, we have a $5 off 2 coupon. And it says any 2 Shea Moisture, excluding the bar soap and single packets. And this is neither of those, so we shouldn't have any issues at checkout. Our final cost is gonna be 98 cents for both, or 49 cents each. Another great item that you can throw in a cute beauty basket for Christmas. Also, be sure to scan your receipt if you are purchasing the Shea Moisture on Fetch Rewards. It is a bonus item, so you will get some additional points back to help you track closer to some gift cards. Now let's grab some shampoos and conditioners. Unfortunately, the Ibotta rebates for the Dove Women's is gone, I just checked, and for the Suave, it's gone as well. But we still have the one attaching to this Ocean Breeze. So what I'm gonna do, they're buy one, get one half off. So the first one will be $2.99, the second one will be $1.49. And we have this $2 off 2 digital coupon that is attaching. We are gonna be left to pay $2.48 out of pocket. Then we're gonna submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back each, making our final cost $1.98 for 2, or just 99 cents each. This is also a good bonus item on Fetch Rewards, so make sure you're always scanning those receipts. Another great deal if you need some kids toothpaste, the Kids Crest Cavity Protection are buy 2, get $2 cash Walgreens rewards. So they're $1.99 each. I scan them, there's no digital coupons attaching, so you will pay $3.98 out of pocket, get back the $2 cash reward, makes your final cost $1.99 for both, or just 99 cents each, which is a great deal, especially on this one, because it's already saving you $2 each right there. Now for some free toothpaste. I am gonna grab this Crest Arctic White. It is the 3-ounce tube and they are $3 each. This week, when you buy 3 of them, you'll get a $4 register reward. So make sure the cashier that is ringing you out, just ask them if their Catalina machine is working. That way you won't have issues with having to call customer service and go through that rabbit hole. So I'm gonna grab 3 of these. That'll bring us to $9. We have this $5 off 3 digital coupon. We're gonna pay $4, get back a $4 register reward, making 3 of them completely free. There's also a $1 off 1 digital coupon, so be careful. If you have that one clipped, make sure you go to your coupon folder on the app and remove that one, otherwise the lesser value coupon will come off. If you want to stock up on some Febreeze, you can grab the Febreeze Air or the Febreeze Fabric. They are 2 for $6 this week. We also have this $3 off 2 digital coupon, which is going to make your final cost $3 for both, or just $1.50 each, which is a great, great deal. So here is that huge moneymaker deal that we're gonna grab using Swagbucks. We are gonna grab 2 of these Clean and Simple, the 43.75 ounce. Has to be the Clean and Simple, so don't buy this one. Now they're not tagged in store anymore, but I just scanned it on the app, and as you can see, it's still showing 2 for $6. So we're gonna grab 2 of these, submit it to Swagbucks for 1,000 Swagbucks when you buy 2, or in essence, $10 back. That's gonna make both of these completely free and a $4 moneymaker. Now don't use any coupons, no digitals, nothing like that to be able to get the rebate back from Swagbucks. Then I was watching Shop with Sarah, her Instagram story, and she got 2 of these as well. And this is a separate deal. They're the 21 pack. I scanned it as well on the Walgreens app, and they're also 2 for $6. Grabbing 2 of these, submit to Swagbucks for 900 Swagbucks back, or $9. Makes 2 of these completely free and another $3 moneymaker. This is gonna help cover the cost of all of the other items we're grabbing today. So let's add this to the cart. Here is another amazing freebie just using some simple coupons we got on Sunday. The Swanson's chicken broth this week is 2 for $1. We're gonna grab 2 of those and use 2 of these 50-cent off 1 coupons. We got these in the 11/8 Smart Source insert. That's gonna make 2 completely free. if you need some feminine care products, here is a great deal. Poise is gonna be 2 for $9, and there's a Catalina promotion going on right now. When you buy 2, you should get a $5 register reward. So we're gonna grab 2 of these. I believe that expires on the 15th. I'm not exactly sure, but we also have this $2 printable coupon that is linked in the printable breakdown below in the description box for you guys, so you can get this printed completely free. And we're gonna use this $2 digital coupon, which is attaching to these guys right here. So we're gonna pay $5 out of pocket, get back a $5 register reward, making them completely free. Now, I'm also gonna submit my receipt to Fetch Rewards. If you've been doing some of the Poise deals and you have this bonus, when you spend, I believe 15, you'll get back 1,500 points, which is the equivalent to $1.50, making mine free and $1.50 moneymaker. Another last minute deal that I just passed by that we're definitely gonna take advantage of is on the Tresemme. So they're buy one, get one half off, or making them 2 for $8, which you see on the tags. We're gonna grab 2 of these, and we still have these 5 off of 2 coupons valid. These expire on Saturday, so you definitely wanna use them up before they expire. We're gonna pay just $3 out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for $1 back each, giving us back $2. Final cost is $1 for both, or 50 cents each. Imagine getting a huge shampoo and conditioner for 50 cents. That is amazing. So let's go check out and see how we did today. Okay, so we're back in from Walgreens, and Walgreens got me again. So literally checked Swagbucks before I came to the store like an hour ago, and the deals for the laundry detergent was still there, as you saw in the video, because I screenshotted that earlier today. Go to checkout, they each, so now they're not money makers. Now I wound up grabbing them for no reason. Ugh. But it happens to the best of us, so what are you gonna do? Yeah, so let's go over my receipts anyways. Of course, my out-of-pocket now was higher than I wanted. It's literally Walgreens, like all the other stores. CVS, my out-of-pocket is always $0. Dollar General, you guys know I do typically a $5 challenge. Walmart is typically free with Ibotta, sometimes a moneymaker or super small amount. Walgreens, I spend so much money out of pocket because it's always something, you know? Okay, and I forgot my earrings today. That must be why, I forgot my earrings today. So I got the Shea Moisture, the Arm & Hammer still rang up as 2 for $6, which is good. Crest, everything, blah, blah, blah. All the coupons came off. The $2 Poise came off, the $5 Crest. It said, also, another bummer, it said on my app I had 23,000 points, so I have a $20 reward. It would only let me redeem 10,000 points. So then instead of paying $4 out of pocket, I had to pay $14 out of pocket, which was annoying. And then this is the one that I submitted to Swagbucks. I only got back 200 Swagbucks. Then it said I didn't get the right one for these, so I had to request a review. Oh my goodness. I can't even, that is so frustrating. I was so excited. I was so excited about today, but that's okay. What are you gonna do? Could always return it, but that sounds like too much of a hassle. So then I got the Swab, the Crest Kids. I wound up doing that deal because I thought it was a really good deal. The BIC and the Tresemme. I wound up getting 4 Tresemme because Ibotta was giving you back $1 up to 3, so I just thought that was an amazing deal. Then my $4 BIC coupon also didn't come off, so I have to contact them about that. Paid $14.04 out of pocket. I used a Catalina booster to get back 5,000 points. And on this, I wound up getting back 9,000 points from 2,000 for the Crest, 2,000 for the BIC, and then 5,000 for the booster that I used. Submitted this to Ibotta and got back $3.75 as well. So, whatever. I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards, got back 1,300 points, which is another $1.30. So overall, I mean, I don't know what my final cost is, including the rewards and stuff that we got. I didn't calculate it because I was just so bummed about the Swagbuck deal. But anyway, that's okay. Still some great deals. If you guys have any questions or anything, drop a comment below. If you enjoy the video and the deals that I share with you, please smash that like button. It helps my channel so much. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.